Hey guys, today I'm teaching you the real difference between Google Wallet and Google Pay in 2025 and which one actually fits your daily life better. Google Wallet is now designed to securely store your cards, digital IDs, transit passes, and event tickets for quick access on your phone. While Google Pay focuses more on sending and receiving money, managing loyalty rewards, and tracking your spending habits. So even though they're linked under the same Google ecosystem, Wallet is now the tap to pay digital carry-all for everyday use, while Pay is more of financial dashboard and money movement app. Meaning, if you just want to pay fast and flash a digital ID, Wallet is the app you need. But for splitting dinner bills or checking where your money is going, that's what Google Pay is built for. That's the full review. Pick the app that fits your lifestyle and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech reviews.